to build a sandcastle?
Sure.
You know, every good castle should have a moat.
What's a moat?
A moat is a lake that wraps around a castle, protecting it from invaders.
Oh!
You need to dig nice and deep so that you reach wet sand. This will ensure the moat keeps its shape. That is a fine castle, Caillou. Now, just you wait.
For what?
That!
Wow!
Cool.
There, now you have a castle that can keep out any unwanted visitors.
Hey, Caillou, how about a game of Frisbee?
Yeah!
Go on, Caillou, but don't run too far.
I think I need to lie down.
I have a better idea, Leo. Oh no, Rosie! Where's Daddy? I think we need to cool off.
Wow! Maybe we could try that, Caillou.
Can we, Mommy?
You go have fun, Caillou, but careful you don't go too far out.
Hop on!
It's coming!
Go! Yuck!
Careful not to drink the seawater, Caillou. It doesn't taste very nice. But these slushies...
Slushies! My favorite!
Caillou, you rascal. Not so fast, Caillou.
Wow! What should we do first, Clem? Skee-ball! It's my favorite! Yeah! Can we, Daddy?
Sure, Caillou. Let's go.
Woohoo! Nice shot, Clem!
All right, Caillou, it's your final throw. Deep breath.
All right, Caillou!
Well done, Caillou.
Awesome! I can't wait to spend my tokens.
Well, don't spend them all at once.
Race you to the bumper cars, Caillou.
Wow, kids, that was great. You must be getting hungry. Well, what would you like?
Let's see what we can get with this. Air hockey! Yes! Ugh, brain freeze.
That is one cold milkshake, huh, Caillou?
Mini golf! Let's go! And nice and straight, Clem. Don't hit too hard, but not too soft either.
Almost there, Clem. One more tap should do it.
What's wrong, Caillou? The clown. It's a bit scary.
Wanna play something else?
No, it's okay. Let's finish the course.
That's it, Caillou. You can do this. Wow, Caillou, a hole in one.
We did it, Clem!
Yeah! Come on, let's go get our prizes.
Oh, yeah! I almost forgot.
Wow, Caillou, did you have a good day?
The best!
Okay, class, it's almost time for the weekend. So that means it's time to choose who gets to take home the class pet, Gerald. Now, who wants to take him home?
Me!
Caillou, why don't you take Gerald today?
So I get to feed him and play with him, and then tomorrow he gets to run around in his ball. Rise and shine, sleepyhead. It's breakfast time. Come on, Mommy says you can play in your ball today.
Caillou, Leo's here.
Coming, Mommy. Wait here, Gerald.
Hey, Caillou!
Hey, Leo. You want to come and see Gerald? I was just about to take him outside.
Sure.
So he needs to get some exercise, so I put him in his ball. Oh, no!
What's wrong, Caillou? Where's Gerald?
I left him here, and now he's gone. Mommy, I left Gerald in his ball, and he's disappeared.
Don't worry, Caillou. We'll find him.
Gerald. Here, Gerald. Aha! Oh, I'm never going to find him. Ah, Gilbert! Ah! There you are!
It was the end of a busy day, and Caillou wanted a bedtime story.
Daddy, would you read to me?
All right, Caillou, scooch over. This is the story of a time-traveling global adventurer. In the plains of Africa, wild animals roam. You never know what you'll find.
Whoa!
Did you feel that, Caillou?
Ah! Oh no!
Hop in, Caillou.
Phew! I made it!
That was a close one, Caillou. In the great ice sheets of the Arctic, extraordinary sights are never far away.
Nice to meet you. My name is Caillou.
Come on, Caillou. Let's see what else we can find. Looks like you've made friends there, Caillou. And in the great pyramids of ancient Egypt, you never know what friends you could make. Wow, Caillou, you look just like a real ancient pharaoh.
So do you! Daddy, something got me! Bless you.
And on the other side of the Mediterranean Sea, Paris, a city of history, food, and art. Bonjour, Caillou. Very good. What do you say we go and see the real thing?
Yeah! Wow! Can we go up?
Sure, Caillou. Let's go.
Oh,
Quite a view, huh, Caillou? That's enough excitement for one night. Time for bed.
It was World Book Day. All the kids were so excited to dress up as their favorite characters. But no one was as excited as Caillou, who came dressed as a pirate.
All right now, class, gather round. Settle down, settle down. Now, as you know from your wonderful costumes, today is World Book Day. But it's not just about dressing up in costume. It's about getting your imaginations going through reading. So here are some vouchers. You can spend them on whatever book you like at the store after school.
Wow, Leo, look at this!
Caillou and his friends couldn't wait to spend their vouchers. They thought long and hard about what book they wanted to buy. Caillou and his friends were exchanging vouchers. There were so many different colors and pictures.
Oh, cool! Yours has a dinosaur on it!
Look at Clementine's! It has a wolf on it! Racia! Ready for takeoff! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Too boring. Too scary. Land ahoy! That's where we'll find our treasure!
Aye, aye, Captain Caillou. Captain Caillou? Caillou?
Caillou! What did you guys get?
With their imaginations truly fired up, Caillou and his friends couldn't wait to get reading. Caillou was excited to take his book home and have all the adventures of a pirate. It was another busy day in the classroom when Mrs. Martin called for the kids to quiet down. She had an announcement to make.
All right, kids, settle down, settle down. Okay, now we have an exciting thing happening at school this week. It's the school talent show.
The class couldn't wait to get started on practicing their talents. But what was Caillou going to do? When Caillou got home later that day, he searched the house for things to do in the talent show. From skipping to singing. He even tried dancing. Caillou was beginning to wonder if he'd ever find a talent for the school talent show.
What's the matter, Caillou?
I don't know what my talent is. I've tried everything.
Well, hey, Caillou, what about this?
What do I do with this?
Well, Caillou, it's a magic wand. You can be a magician in your talent show. Here.
Okay, Daddy. So what magic should I do?
You just wait here, Caillou. I'll be right back.
Moments later, Daddy was back, carrying another box. It was a hard, black case, and stamped across it were the words Magic Kit.
Wow!
Now, Caillou, this used to be my magic kit when I was your age. Now it's yours. Use it at the talent show and show everyone what you can do.
I look like a real magician!
You sure do, Caillou. Now, get practicing.
Caillou practiced and practiced, and the next day at the talent show he was ready, but starting to feel nervous. He was up next.
Hey, Caillou. It's okay. Don't be nervous. You'll be great.
Yeah, Caillou. Just go out there and have fun.
My name is Caillou, and I'm a magician. Behold!
Caillou whispered the magic words, tapped the hat with his magic wand, and...
Meet Teddy, everybody! And now for my next trick. Look what happens to Teddy when I do this.
The crowd went wild for Caillou's tricks. He was so proud of himself. It was a special day in Caillou's family. It was Rosie's birthday, and all the family were outside enjoying the sunshine and having a party.
Mommy, please, can I go play in the bounce house now?
Okay, Caillou, but be careful. And don't forget to remove your shoes.
But I don't want to take my shoes off.
Better do as we're told, Caillou.
Oh.
Caillou had a great time in the bounce house. But the other kids started to get too rough.
Hey, stop that!
Safely back on solid ground, Caillou looked around for another game to play.
Hey, Caillou. Are you all right?
Caillou put on a brave face. After all, there were other activities he could do.
Hey, let's go play pin the tail on the donkey.
Caillou and his friends began to play pin the tail on the donkey. They got very dizzy.
Leo, that's not where tails go.
Okay. You try, Caillou.
Oh no, that's not where tails go either.
Hey, look! They're bringing out the cake.
All right now, kids, gather round. Rosie, don't forget to make a wish. Rosie made her special birthday wish and blew out her candles all at once, and then... How about some presents?
Oh, me first. Can I, Mommy?
Okay, Caillou, what have you got?
Here you go, Rosie. Happy birthday!
Rosie couldn't believe her luck. Her very own teddy bear.
Teddy!
Good job, Caillou. What a great gift.
One more thing, Rosie.
Dear Rosie, happy birthday. Have the best day. Love from your brother, Caillou. Oh, Caillou, that's lovely and so well written. Isn't that nice, Rosie?
Hey, kids, it's time for the piñata.
Rosie gets first hit.
Go, Rosie!
It was the best birthday Rosie ever had. And Caillou had a pretty good day, too. All right, Caillou, I'll be back in a minute. Make sure you get nice and clean.
Okay, Mommy. Good luck on your mission, Captain Caillou.
Oh, hi there. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Caillou.
Oh, legend tells of a great explorer by the name of Caillou.
Really?
Oh, yes. It says that he is the one to find the lost treasure and return it to us.
Wow.
Will you help us, great Caillou?
You got it. Let's find that treasure. Hey, look! Let's look inside.
Are you sure about this? What's that?
It's a shark! Faster! It's gaining on us!
Caillou, are you all cleaned up?
Almost!
Good. So there's still some time for Captain Caillou to sail the seas.
My uncle gave this to me for my birthday.
Wow!
We can do all sorts of practical jokes with this.
Ew! Which one should we use first?
I'm not sure. Why don't you decide, Caillou?
Oh! Quick! Quick!
Oh, my! Very funny, boys.
Oh, hi, Leo. Hello, Caillou. What are you boys up to?
We got you some peanuts, Daddy. Would you like some?
For me? That's very nice of you, Caillou. Thank you. Whoa! Oh, you boys got me.
Okay. Rosie, it's not real.
It's just a prank, Rosie.
See? Come on, Rosie. I've got an idea.
Oh, there they are. Hello, Rosie. Caillou. Oh, hi, Leo.
Hello. Grandma, would you like some juice?
Oh, why, yes, Caillou. I am a little thirsty.
Rosie, do you want to help me with the ice cubes? Ice cubes! Ice cubes!
Thank you very much, you two. Oh, heavens! Was this a prank?
It was just another day at school, or so Caillou thought. All of a sudden, Caillou felt a pain in his mouth. Caillou's tooth had come loose.
Guys, look! My tooth is wobbling.
Wow, Caillou, you'll get a visit from the Tooth Fairy soon.
Huh? The Tooth Fairy, Caillou? Whenever you lose a tooth, you put it under your pillow, and the Tooth Fairy comes and leaves something special underneath in its place.
No, Caillou, don't do that. It'll fall out on its own.
It seemed Caillou would just have to be patient. With that, Caillou decided to wait, but he was so excited for the rest of the day he could barely concentrate in class. Later that day, after school, Caillou skipped out of the gate to meet Grandma. He couldn't wait to tell Mommy and Daddy about his loose tooth.
Mommy, Daddy, guess what? I have a loose tooth.
That's great, Caillou. Let's take a look. Say, ah. That looks almost ready to come out. But not yet. Caillou waited. And waited. And waited. Until suddenly, his tooth fell out.
Mommy, Daddy, it came out. My tooth came out.
That's great, Caillou.
So when will the Tooth Fairy come?
Well, first you need to put your tooth under your pillow or she won't know to come and visit.
Oh, right, I forgot.
We'll all go up together.
Okay now, Caillou, place it carefully under your pillow.
And let's see in the morning what the Tooth Fairy brings you. Good night, Caillou.
Good night, Mommy and Daddy.
Caillou sat up in his bed and rubbed his eyes. Suddenly, his eyes widened as he remembered what lay waiting beneath his pillow. Just then, Caillou noticed something from the corner of his eye. Something glowed in the corner of his bedroom. It was the Tooth Fairy.
Well, hello, Caillou. I hear you've lost a tooth. Have you been taking good care of your teeth? Where do you take all the teeth, Tooth Fairy? Why, back to Fairyland, of course. We use them to build our fairy castle bigger and bigger. Wow. Good night, Tooth Fairy. Good night, Caillou. I'll take good care of your tooth. Don't forget to check your pillow when you wake up.
Caillou had the strangest dream. Remembering suddenly, Caillou sat bolt upright and threw his pillow to the side. Under his pillow was a shiny silver quarter and a note.
Dear Caillou, thank you for keeping your tooth so clean. Love from